Hi there and welcome to another AHT unboxing video. I'm pleased to say that I was able to meet the lovely Kathleen Thurnham in person, who showed me her wonderful and very personal Airship collection of items. Kathleen has been a member of the Trust for many years and out of her collection of family items wanted to show something that was very special to her. It's a very special watch that was given to her uncle. But without more ado, I'll hand straight over to Kathleen to tell the story.
My name's Kathleen Thurnham. And I'm talking about my uncle, which I didn't know before my time, my mum's eldest brother. His name was William King. And he was in airships, worked on airships. But he was on the R33, was what he was on, working on it at Cardington. And there was, I don't know how many were, not many, about 7 or 8 of them, that's all, on the ship, when it was blown off the mast and damaged, and they were still on board it. And they managed to, I think it went right out over the channel, and they managed to fetch it back. And they were decorated for doing it, and they were presented by these gold watches. And then after that, they had them presented by the Air Marshal, I think it was, in London. And it's inscribed inside with his name, and I don't suppose you can see it on there probably. The Air Council it was that presented them. And he wore this watch all the time, and after a while he was transferred to the R101. And when he was on the R101, and he must have been on watch just before it crashed, and he came off watch and was asleep in his bunk with his watch still in his pocket, and the airship crashed, and this watch survived the fire, and that's how they identified him. And when it was found, it was made by Benson's of London, and they put the watch on display in their store in London after the R101 crash. And it stopped at exactly 2:08 a.m. And the time it's when it crashed, and William was identified by it. It needs cleaning at the moment, but it does work. And all it's lost is its second hand, and that it was like that when I got it, and I'm passing it on to my son. It's coming down the generations.
As you can see, this is an amazing artifact, and I thank Kathleen for her time and showing and sharing it with us all.